Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are designing a spiral light effect around an object using stroke path. Start by selecting the pen tool and drawing a spiral path across the object. Pick a soft, bright brush to create the glowing line. Set brush spacing low for a smooth light motion. Right click the path and choose stroke path. Select brush to apply the glowing spiral. Duplicate the spiral layer to intensify the glow and also add a color outer glow from the layer style. Change the blending mode to the screen for brighter highlights. Adjust opacity to find the perfect glow level and also add blur for soften the light even more.